Okay, so this is the OXO hard cheese grater. We typically use it with Parmesan, but you could do it with Parmesan Reggiano, any kind of hard cheeses. This works really well. It does struggle with soft cheeses, so just stick to the harder cheeses. But if you love Olive Garden and if you love having that freshly grated Parmesan on your pasta, your salad, anything like that, and we do, we love that. And you feel so fancy when you're grating the cheese. So the cheese goes in here, and then you grate it by pushing down the top and swirling it. And it is pretty easy to clean. You just pop off the handle over here, push this out, wash it thoroughly, and then assemble it really quick back in. And you get the lovely luxury of having freshly grated Parmesan on your salads and pastas anytime you want. Would definitely recommend.